Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit the header and footer on our Google Docs document. This tutorial should be pretty quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole Google Docs interface, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process to do so. Now, let's get started. Before proceeding, please make sure that the Google Chrome as well as the Google Docs that you are using is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see, currently I have a Google Docs document opened in my Google Chrome. And in my Google Docs document, I have here a sample paragraph as well as a header right over here on the top of my screen and a footer. Let's say, for example, I would like to change the header and the footer because there's a mistake, or I would just like to change it to a different word. How can we do that? It is actually quite simple. All we have to do is to click on this top portion of the screen wherein we can locate our header and click on it twice. As you can see, we are now on the header tab, and from the header tab we can edit this one and this one. Let's say, for example, the date is now June 8th. How do we change this? We just change the date using our keyboard, and as you can see, we have successfully edited our header. We can also remove our header by highlighting these text and pressing backspace on our keyboard. Alternatively, you can also use a picture using the insert image tab right here. If you want further tutorial on how to insert an image, then we have a tutorial of it as well that you can locate on our playlist or dedicated playlist of Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, I would like to bring it back and keep it like this. We have changed the date, but now I would like to change the footer. How do we do that? Just click on the footer. If you are currently on the header, you can just click on it once and it will bring you the footer tab. However, if you have not opened neither of these two, what you can do is to double click the footer area, which is the bottom area of your document. Click it twice, and as you can see, it will bring you to the footer tab, similar on what we did to the header tab. From here, we can edit our footer. Let's say, for example, as simple as that. If we click on anywhere on our document once, it will save the header as well as the footer. And now, as you can see, we have completely edited the footer and the header of our Google Docs document. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From this, I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.